Hello folks, and welcome back to another edition of BC Renovation Magazine. So this is just going to be a quick update video of where we're at with our abandoned mobile home project. We've been posting a few videos lately, and just sort of showing specific tasks that we're doing. But I wanted to give you a little walkthrough of kind of where we're at with our project at this point. That we're almost close to being finished here. And the videos that we've been posting haven't been keeping in the timeline. So this is pretty current where we are at the time of this video that I'm publishing it. So like I say, we're just about finished here. Another few weeks and we will have this home ready for a new owner. And so this is the main bath here. This room is pretty much finished. We've got the new vanity, the new toilet, the new tub tiles all done. We just have to do a mirror here. We've got the floors are finished. We've got the baseboards installed, so we still have some painting to do. We have to finish painting our doors. The walls are going to get one more coat yet. This is the second bedroom, which is at the front of the home. And so, we've installed these closet shelves here. We had a video on that, and so now I have to paint that. So that's kind of next up, is getting into that painting. I've got basically 3 rooms that are completely finished, which is the 2 bathrooms right now, and I want to get my closets all done and paint the doors, and then we'll lay the floors and baseboards, and we're getting very close to being wrapped up here. Our goal is to have this home ready by the middle of May. And so this is our kitchen, how it's coming along here. We've shown you some little snippets of things, that we've done here with the sink and whatnot, but this is kind of where we're at now with the, the project right at this kind of point in time. So these appliances are just kind of sitting here. We still have to get the flooring in underneath of them, the new flooring, and then we will install those for permanently. We've got our little laundry room here off the kitchen, and this room is pretty much finished. So we have our new washer and dryer here, and we've installed the cabinets up above. I fabricated this set of shelves here just out of some pine boards. These are adjustable shelving, so they can be removed if you wanted to put the freezer in here or something like that. Or they could be, we can change the height of them. We could add shelves if you wanted to. Just, it's just simply brackets here that are mounted on a track and, up and down. And so, just use these pine boards from the Home Depot and put a clear finish on them. This is going to be our flooring. This is the flooring that we've picked out for the rest of the floors where there isn't this tile. So this is a laminate floor. And, we've got this little pantry cabinet here, which has got, lots of shelves. This can be used as a broom closet, kind of a multi-purpose area here. This little room has got a lot of things going on in it. And we've installed a pocket door here so that, you can close it off to separate it from the kitchen when the laundry machines are going. And then as we come through here, this is the hallway to the main bedroom at the back. Got a little doorbell installed there. Up in here, we did the beam. That was another little project we have a video on if you want to see how we did that. Here we've got the furnaces inside this little closet. So we have these plantation louvers here for the furnace to dry air through. Okay, so that's a brand new 95, I think, % efficient furnace, complete with central air conditioning. And then we have another little closet here that is a utility closet that has our hot water tank in it and all of our water valves and things like that. Okay, and then here we have our main bedroom, the master bedroom, which is basically all we need to do in here is just another coat of paint on the walls and paint the doors, put the trim down, and we're done. This is the ensuite bath off of the master bathroom. Again, we put in a sliding door here. There's really no place to swing a door. But yeah, this is how this has come out, how this has turned out. You know, our plumbing is all finished in the home now. All of our electrical is done, completely finished. We will be installing a mirror, a wall-to-wall mirror here over the vanity. Okay, we've got our shower installed. I just have some tape on there. We still have to do some caulking in here, but that's why I have the green tape on there. But we have this shower enclosure installed. Okay, so this room was all painted out and finished. Our little window. Yeah, so it's coming along. We're getting really close to being done here. And yeah, it feels good. So I'll take you outside and kind of give you a walk around the outside here as well to kind of show you where we're out outside, what's left to do outside. Yeah, so it's spring here. We're into April, and yeah, you can feel the warm weather starting to come in. But over the winter, we managed to get the eaves troughs on the home, so eaves troughs and the downspouts, so that's complete. Outside is all complete now except for the railings. We still have to put some railings here. We're going to have the black metal railings, and we're going to stain the deck, and then we're going to have to get into a little bit of landscaping. So you can see we're haven't done any spring cleanup work here yet. Yeah, just a little walk around the outside here. So we're planning to stain the deck. Planning to stain the deck the same color as the shutters there. Yeah, and we'll be cleaning this area up here. We've got, you know, all this winter debris down on the ground right now. Here around the back. Yeah, this is all done now. Everything's quite dirty. We need to just give everything a good wash. And along here, we still have to build our steps here. We've got this concrete in here for a little sidewalk and a landing. And so here we'll be putting a set of stairs, and there'll be the metal railings around here yet. So that's another little job on the to-do list. And this is our air conditioning unit outside. Some time ago we built that little wall there. So yeah, we'll be getting into the landscaping. Landscaping is always kind of fun. I always enjoy that part of it. We've got the little creek across this creek from us here. It's starting to go pretty good. It's snow up in the mountains starting to melt. So this is the little creek. It runs across the front of the property. Our little cul-de-sac here. Other homes on the street. And here we are from the front. So you can see our new downspouts, new downpipes really finishes it off there. Yeah, so folks, this home, we've been working on it for a while. It's kind of a project that's been put on the back burner a few times while we've done other things, but we're at the point now where we're just going to get it done, and not much left, and yeah, then we'll move on to something else. But if you are just joining us on this video, if this is the first video that you've seen on this home, we bought this home. It was an abandoned home, and it was in really bad shape, and you know, we've have taken step-by-step videos through taking it from that, you know, old derelict place to, you know, to the home that we have here now. And if you're interested in, you know, seeing all the little things that we've done and how that process went, there's a link to a playlist at the end of the video that will take you to all the videos that we've done on this home. But yeah, we basically really changed the look of this. This was it's a 1984, and so you can see that it doesn't look like a 1984 anymore. You know, one of the jobs that we did is we extended out the roof and put an overhang on it. I had a metal roof on it. We just changed it to asphalt roof and new siding. Yeah, lots of work we've gone through here. So anyways, folks, that's just a little video, just a quick update. You know, a lot of the videos that we've been showing have been delayed, but this is kind of where we are right now in April 2024, getting ready to put it for sale and hand it over to a new owner in May. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.